Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on algebraic fractions worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Now, there is a lesson on this topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, just click on the link that's provided on the next slide and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's have a look. Simplify each of the following algebraic expressions. So here, these two are fractions. Yes, they have pronumerals or letters in them, and that's why they're called algebraic fractions. Now, the rules are the same as for normal fractions. With respect to addition, if the denominators are the same, all you do is add the numerators. So that's the hint I'll give you. And it's exactly the same for number 2. The rule for subtraction is the same. If the denominators are the same, just subtract the numerators because of that subtraction sign. And it's exactly the same here. Over here, you will notice that the three denominators are different. So we need to go through a process to find a common denominator. That is, each of those fractions is written in another way where each of the denominators is the same. So when you get to that stage, then you can simplify the expression. And the lesson explains how to do that. It's exactly the same here. We have an addition and subtraction sign. The same there. You must find the lowest common multiple, for example, of 6, 8 and 3. That is the lowest number that 6, 8 and 3 will divide into. And that will be your common denominator. Exactly the same for this. Notice there are subtraction signs here and here. Here we have 4 algebraic fractions, but the process is the same. Find the lowest number that 2, 3, 4 and 5 will divide into, and that will be your common denominator. And it's exactly the same for this last example. It's just a little bit more involved, but the process is exactly the same. So this video has presented some examples where we can practice adding or subtracting algebraic fractions together. And if you need any guidance, just click on the link on the next slide and it will show you how to do each of these examples.